Debug Talks. Today we'll learn JavaScript callback function. A function which we are using as an argument in the another function is called callback function. Let's understand with the help of example. First, we will create two functions. Function to fetch the weather data. Now, we create function to display the weather data. Now we use the display function as callback. Here we use console for fetching the data. Now we use setTimeout function. Here we call immediate invoke function. Please take a constant which consists weather data. Here we use the callback function. Now we pass the weather data to the callback. So we have to take the data parameter in the display function also. Now we will console the weather data. Here we call the fetch weather data function by passing the display data function as argument. Here we have syntax error in our code, as you can see the output. We have made a mistake in the function's implementation. Now it's correct. Save the file. Refresh the browser. As you can see the output. You can use the time also in setTimeout function.